I'll just go straight to my to-do before summer. Oh, it is? Oh. Hey, I forgot something. Hold on. I forgot something in my last video. This is a really hot sun, in case you couldn't tell. The X's of the colors make it look really hot. Here we go. Now for... I just lost the page. Ooh, not here. Bad idea.
Why?
Oh no, we don't need to draw attention to ourselves. Okay, sheesh. Pay attention. You have to contribute to the. Stop it.
I'm just showing you the stuff that.
Oh, what? Where'd you get that?
From the nurse.
I don't think I was with you.
I think this is for your baby.
I had a baby? What baby?
Baby bubbles, miracle bubbles.
What? You're not making any sense. Okay, we're showing our summer to-do list. Go to a concert. Have I done it? No, obviously not.
Miley
It's
Cyrus
not
concert.
checked out, but that's in September. We're going to a Miley Cyrus concert. Better believe it, bitches! And do something embarrassing. I got this idea because I find pleasure in doing those kinds of things. I don't know
like
why.
embarrassing myself.
Like, I would
Anna Ritchie
do the moonwalk. Oh, bees natch.
Hello?
Check out my mustache.
Sitting at La Playa with Renese.
Making a video.
What?
Skylar is on the phone.
You're
with
what?
Hannah Ritchie.
Oh, the point.
What up, Hannah? Let me give a big shout out to my girl, Hannah
Where are
Ritchie.
you?
Woo, woo. Let me also give a shout out to my mom,
Oxnard.
my dad,
They're in Oxnard.
my dog. Who goes to Oxnard? Creepy, sketchy people. Oh wait, we went there today. Only if we get a Pizookie at BJ's.
Where are you?
Here's my friend Skylar. We have more battery now.
Off Victoria or
Well,
Victoria?
this is long. We have to stop. We have to stop.
And
We'll be
how
back.
do I?
Yeah,
Text
you
me
can expect
directions.
mo. Yo, peace out.